What is going on, everyone? Back with another quick market update. Today is Sunday and I'm shooting this video today because this price has been moving really nicely throughout this past week. As anticipated from my previous video, we were looking at this CISD. I filmed a video at this candle here. I believe one of these two candles here before this move lower, and timing is just perfect, right? So let's just go over it. I'm on the 4-hour time frame. I usually frame my trades here on the 4-hour time frame, pairing it with the weekly, right? As you can see, this high time frame candles here is the weekly candle or time frame, excuse me. Candle 1, candle 2, manipulate here, right? We have a nice change in state of delivery. Price did not want to expand any higher. Price took out this previous week's high. We were expecting lows or continuation lows, weekly C3 expansion 2 weeks ago, but it didn't happen. So we were waiting. We got stopped out. We were waiting. Okay, price moves higher. Okay, are we bullish? Maybe. Bearish? I think so, because we have this initial change in state of delivery. Again, C2 sweep, and then we were expecting candle 3 expansion, right? So I missed it by a week. That's okay. So we caught this trade here. It was even cleaner than this chop here, right? We're consolidating here. This is probably a retracement, so for higher. This was the real move. And obviously timing is super important in crypto. We had a lot of stuff going on. Holidays, beginning of the week, a lot of shit going down in the markets, Trump news, etc. But it doesn't really matter, right? We were just anticipating expansions. That's all that matters, right? Following the model, fractal model, a change in state of delivery here. Price, you don't expect price to expand and C2, right? But new wick opens, we have this nice new wick opens without a gap, right? So price had something to do. We created these two up close candles here. Price comes down, revisits it, and then the rest is history. Chops around here and then creates this daily gap right there, respected the gap, and now we are moving lower. What am I anticipating? These failure swings down here, tons of failure swings here, and then we have these equal lows down here if price wants to get lower, which I think it will. So failure swings come first. Obviously this is a good target because this is the consolidation right here, right? This is initial consolidation before the move higher, but we aren't anticipating these lows to get taken. And then judging by this reaction down here, we can expect these lows to get taken if all signs point down, right? If we fail to manipulate, enter a new phase of price to move higher, then we expect price to continue lower. So next week, in a couple days or in a day or two, we will open a new weekly candle and expecting price to come up a little bit, create a wick, right? Don't necessarily need to, right? As demonstrated by this week's candle here, right? Candle opens up and moves lower and fails to create that wick. Do we need to create a wick? Short answer is no, just because price is bearish, right? We have this intercandle change in state of delivery. Exactly what you want to see at the beginning of the week, Monday or Tuesday. It happens on Monday. You wake up on Tuesday. I wake up on Tuesday since I live in Asia, and immediately take this short at this candle or this candle, right? And price has somewhere to go and moves lower. And as you can see, daily chart or daily time frame, daily candles here. We have an inside bar with this candle. We can move to the daily time frame actually. That would make sense. All right, so we have an inside bar on Thursday, right? Price expands on Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday had that huge expansion candle. Price comes back up, and we have a inside bar on Thursday. Friday sweeps Thursday's high, as well as visits this daily imbalance that was created during this week, and now it is moving lower. We have also had a daily change in the state of delivery, right? So if we look at the daily and pair it with the monthly, this is what it looks like. These are monthly candles here. We are currently on this candle here. So basically we have swept previous month's high, rejected it into this monthly imbalance, fair value gap. And now we are on C2, and now we expect C3 monthly candle to move lower. which is crazy. And that gives us more confluence for shorts. And we could take something like this. This is a valid setup for a daily, monthly change in the state of delivery for lower. This is crazy, right? So we have a ton of confluences to move lower. This is also a really good setup. Good risk to reward. What am I anticipating? I'm anticipating 74K. I think it's inevitable. So this is also what I am looking to do here. The daily and the monthly time frame fractal model. So if you got in shorts here, amazing. You can move to break even, or even to, you're pretty much safe at 3R, 2 to 3R, right? Let's see what that looks like, because your risk is so tight here. So 2R would look like that. So stop loss would be at this fractal high. Perfect stop loss placement. Prices would move so low. 3R right around here, right? So right at the bottom of this daily imbalance, right? So stop loss is basically at 2R right now. And if price comes up, that's fine. 2R is good for me. Price is currently at 6R. That's amazing too. I want to hold this thing because I think we will go lower. So holding to at least 86K, that is the short-term target. And the long-term target, we can play this daily, monthly fractal model as well. Just amazing. We'll see where this day closes, but man, if we get this, this is also a really good short setup as well to at least 80K, 80.5 down here. So we have a lot to work with, and we only have a week left in January, so we can be patient and wait till the new monthly candle starts and wait for another daily intercandle change in state of delivery, right? So can expect price to move lower this week, open up a new monthly candle and create some up close candles on the daily and trade. And if it trades away from those up close candles, then we can enter short on the daily and monthly time frame. But right now we're sitting pretty in shorts already on the 4-hour and the weekly. A lot of confluences, right? We have this SMT as well with Ethereum. Respected this fair value gap. Daily change in state of delivery. 4-hour changes state of delivery with the intercandle change state of delivery. We'll have this. We might have this intercandle change the state of delivery on the daily. It's a mouthful with this model, but it works. We have a monthly swing forming, and it's just looking super bearish. Not gonna lie, it's looking very bearish, guys. So I think that's the video. I think that's what I want to go over in this video. And yeah, I'll keep it short, under 10 minutes. See you guys in the next one. Take care.